नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं डीडी टुडे और मैं हूं आपके साथ कीर्ति सिंह। आइए रुक करते हैं खबर की ओर।
The Center for Legal Excellence or CLE is organizing All India Article Writing Competition on the multiple indicative themes which are taxation law, capital market and securities law, torts law, banking and insurance law, real estate law, cyber law, labor law, corporate law, intellectual property rights law, family law, criminal law, environmental law, constitutional law, health law, human rights law. CLE is a body that provides innovative products based on the integration of academics, life skills, and exposure to law and legal aspects. The ambition of CLE is to endow knowledge and skills in law professionals to manage certain issues related to law and developing professional practices. The advisory board members of this competition are Mr. M.S. Siddiqui, legal economist, former professor, Daffodil International University, Bangladesh, CEO Bangla Chemical, Bangladesh, fellow World Mediation Organization, Germany, senior advisor, Prima Dollar Operations Limited, UK. Dr. Vinay Kandapal, Assistant Professor, Department of General Management, School of Business, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India. Dr. Sudhir Kumar, Professor, Institute of Legal Studies, Sri Ram Swaroop Memorial University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India. Dr. P.S. Munawwar Hussain, Joint Registrar, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, India. Dr. Sylvanus Abela, Assistant Professor of Law, Niger Delta University, Nigeria. Dr. Saifi Lal Bullu, Senior Lecturer of Law, the Open University of Tanzania, Tanzania. Professor Dr. Sandeep Kulshrestha, Professor, Amity Law University, Amity University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, India. Ms. Angayar Kanni Ramaya, Lecturer Law, University Technology, Mera, Malaysia. Dr. Gifty Umain, Associate Professor, Government Law College, Ernakulam, Kerala, India. Professor Dr. Mohan R. Bolla, Principal, Krishna Jayanti, College of Law, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Professor Dr. A.V. Narasimha Rao, India. Dr. Surat Singh, Howard and Oxford educated, Lawyer, Supreme Court of India, New Delhi, India. Founder and Managing Partner at Dr. Surat Singh and Associates, New Delhi, India. Dr. Monica Jain, Senior Advocate, High Court of Delhi, New Delhi, India. C.S. Raghuraman, Retired Professor, Pendenkanti Law College, Hyderabad, Telangana, India. In this competition, all participants will get the publication opportunities, e-certificate, constructive feedback to all submitted manuscripts. Bureau Report, DD Today News.
ऐसे ही खबर से जुड़े रहने के लिए देखते रहें डीडी टुडे।